Hey. Hey. Anyway, so my tractor, right here on the back end of it, I've got this winch. It's a 2,500 pound standard ATV winch. I bought it from Tractor Supply a number of years ago. It's been on there, works great. This winch line, let's just say its days are done. It's in rough shape, so it needs to be replaced. So yesterday I was at Harbor Freight and I picked up this synthetic winch line, and I'm going to see if I can swap it out. It was either this or a new winch, and there's really nothing wrong with the old winch, so I'm going to try to swap this out. I've never done it before, but it looks pretty straightforward, pretty easy, so we'll give it a shot. So you got the winch line. It's already got it's got a hook on there. It's got a new ferry lead, so really not much to it. So let's get started and get it installed. Okay, looks just like an Allen wrench holds it in place there. Not really sure what the other winch line has on it, so let's go check it out. I'm sure it doesn't match. I'm sure we're going to have to do some type of retrofitting of some sort. Of course, it's metric. Everything's metric these days. Not really sure why that is, but it is what it is. Okay, well, that was pretty easy. Going a little too smooth. I think what I'm going to do is, instead of messing with this new rope, I am going to drill this hole out just a little bit bigger so that fits in there, and then we should be good to go. Okay, looks like a 5/16 drill bit. 5/16 drill bit is what we need. I'm not really worried about drilling this out. This winch is of the age where I think once this cable is shot, the winch will probably be shot, so I'll just replace the whole thing at that point. But for right now, let's see if we can't screw this up. If we do screw it up, you guys will have a front row show. Okay, looks like we'll just feed this right through here now. In theory, push it through a little bit. I know we got to have a couple wraps on this drum before it is actually going to hold anything. So okay. Okay, let's wind it, see what it looks like. winch cable installed. Ended up taking the sheathing off. It was too much to fit on the drum. So the cable that I took off was, I'm guessing, about 25 or 30 feet long. It was nowhere near the 50. The new one is obviously there's not much room here, but there's 50 feet of cable on here. I did put the new fair lead on, so we got the Badlands fair lead with the Traveler winch, which is fine. Everything seems to be fine. So there it is, a nice easy job, switching out this cable, and it sure beats having to buy a new winch and switch out the entire winch. So anyway, winch cable upgrade, good to go. Thanks for watching.